Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you all know that we have started a series on AWS from beginners to pro. This will be the fourth lecture on that particular series, and here we are going to understand that how we can create a free tier account in AWS, that is your own management account. So let us first understand what is an AWS free tier. Well, with AWS free tier account, you can create your own management account. That is, you will be having your own AWS account in Amazon Web Services console, right? And there you will be having full control over that account. That is, you will be the owner of that account, right? So you can work on that account and you can utilize various services that is provided by AWS. Now, it does mean that you are going to be responsible for all the billings. Yes, of course, we are going to create a free tier account. In free tier account, there is a proper threshold for each service to be used. If we cross that particular threshold, we will incur bills. And you will be requiring a credit card for creating your account, as well as you will be paying all the bills that are incurred outside the limit of your free tier account. Of course, the benefit of free tier account is that you gain free hands-on experience with AWS platform products and services, and you can explore more than 100 products and start building your own AWS projects using the free tier. So that is pretty much an advantage of free tier account. And here in this particular series, I shall be recommending you to create your own free tier account, and we shall be doing all the hands-on which will be inside the free tier limits. But if in case there will be any lab which will be requiring to pay bills, I shall be notifying you beforehand only. So now let us see what all things you need to open an free tier account. So the first thing, you will be requiring a credit card for setting up your account and paying any bills that we have seen before also. Next, we will be requiring a unique email address, then an account name, and a phone number for verification. So now let us go to our browser and see how we can open up a free tier account in AWS. So you can go to Google and type AWS free tier over there. And from the first link of AWS documentation, you will be landing on this particular page. As it says that it is AWS free tier, and through which you can sign in or create a new free tier account. And obviously, this will be giving you hands-on experience with AWS platforms and products. So here they are saying what types of offers are available with free tier. The first offer is free trials. It is a short-term free trial offer which start from the date you actually activate a service. So this is service based. With this you can have an idea how a service works within free limits, right? So this is related with how new services are actually working in AWS. The second one is a 12-month free trial. This is a account which we are going to open. This is a 1-year free tier account, and in this you can actually enjoy 12 months of free services which are there in AWS. And yes, some of the services of AWS are always free. So this is actually not an offer, but few services of AWS are always free. So you can actually use them if you have your AWS account with yourself. That, for example, IAM is a service which is free of cost. Now, if you scroll down a little lower, then you will be seeing some of the services such as compute, storage, and database, and so on with the free tier limit. So this is EC2 service, which is having 750 hours per month free. Right, so it is for 12 months. So this is the limit. So if you exceed this limit, only then you have to actually pay for the services. Otherwise, it will be free of cost. Similarly, for S3, which is a storage service, it is giving 5 GB of standard storage to be free, and along with it you have 2000 get and 2000 put request which are also free. So it is always recommended to go through these limits before using any services in a free tier account, right? So the next thing is that over here I have created a new Gmail ID, but it is not at all necessary. You can use your existing Gmail ID for creating the AWS free tier account. All the notification related to this free tier account will be sent to your mail address only. Right, so now clicking on this orange button which says create a free tier account, you will be redirected to a new page which says sign in page, right? But we will be not signing in right now. We shall be creating a new account. So now scroll down and click on create new AWS account, and this will again redirect you to a new page which is saying sign up for AWS, right? So it is a simple a form like structure. It will be asking you to enter the email address, right? So enter the email address that we have I have just now created. You can make use of your own email ID. The next thing which is required is an account name. You can put the name of the account as the name of your company or the name of your organization, or for the very purpose you are creating the account. I am creating this account for managing my tutorials, so I am just putting the name as ANG, that is the initials of my name, and management over here, and then click on the verify email address button, right? So this must have sent a confirmation email to my account, and it is asking for a verification code. So go to your email address. Yes, there is a mail. Click on it, and here is the verification code. So copy this particular code from here, and then go to the sign up page and paste this verification name over here and verify here. So now the email address is verified. Now the next step will be to enter the password for your root account. So there are certain limitation, one uppercase, lowercase and number. You can create your own password, then confirm the password, and after that you will be clicking on continue on step 1 of 5. Right, now the next page which is showing you is about a little bit of your contact information. So it is asking the purpose of the account, whether it is a business or a personal account. So click on personal, and then provide all the details, that is name, phone number, address and so on. Right, my name and all the details such as phone number and address, I have hidden it for security purposes, and then I agree and continue. The next thing is related to the billing information, and here you will be requiring a credit card information, and with this do not worry, it will be costing around 2 to 3 rupees only, and you have to enter your details over here. In the last it will ask that whether you have a PAN number or not. If you have, you can click on yes, otherwise no, and then verify and continue. For payment, an OTP will be required, and yes, you can see that only 2 rupees over here has been deducted from the account, and let us wait for the OTP. And as the OTP comes, you can enter the OTP over here. And after filling it, click on the submit button. Now the transaction is being processed, and you have to wait a little bit. As soon as the transaction is complete, you will be good to go in order to verify your account with your phone number, right? So that should be the last step. Yes, so after it, yes, you can see that a new page come up which says verify your AWS account or confirm your identity with the help of a phone number. So over here again I shall be selecting India, and after selecting I will be entering my mobile number, then filling the captcha, and ultimately clicking on send SMS step. fill the SMS code which you have received on your phone number and click on continue. And here it will be again redirecting you to another page which will be asking you about the support plan. Now these are three in types, and these support plans are actually the support which is provided by AWS technical team to their end users, right? So the first one is basic support. It is free of cost. We are going to selecting that only, and in this you can actually send your queries for troubleshooting. Then it is a developer support which is around $30 per month, and it is important because in this you can have a support within 12 hours. In the basic the time was not confirmed. Then the business one, it is $100 per month, and in this you can be have the answer to your troubleshooting queries within an hour. So this is for critical business applications, right? So here we are going to select for the basic support only, and after that you are required to scroll it down and click on complete sign up, right? So that was the last step, and yes, congratulations, your account has now been created. So on clicking on management console, go to management console. It will be asking you certain questions regarding why you are opening this account. So I'm opening this as a researcher, and let's say I'm interested in DevOps, and you can submit it, just a little form like structure, and then click on sign into console. After that, the same page will appear, that is the sign in. And when we create any account, we actually becomes the root user. So here I will be putting the email address, and then clicking on next, the password, and sign in. So now you are inside AWS's management console, right? And here you can work upon any of the services which are provided by AWS. The root account has access to all the services which are provided by AWS. So that is how we create a free tier account, and I hope that all the steps were pretty much clear to you all. And for more such videos on AWS and related services, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.